always had this idea, wired into the brain, about a divine society where God's rule prevails. The concept of Utopia, the Hindu concept of the Satya Yuga, the paradise, as described in many religious scriptures, all of these is an indication of the human urge to go back and manifest the inherent divinity. Well, there is a place in Tamil Nadu where a magnificent experiment started in 1968. Auroville, established by Mora Alfasa, also known as the Mother, who was mentored by the great social reformer, Sri Aurobindo. Auroville is built as a universal town where men and women of all countries are able to live in peace and progressive harmony, above all creeds, all politics, and all nationalities. There is no currency or coin, no religious practices, and no politics. The residents maintain the township together, contributing in every way to the growth of the society. In the middle of the town is the Matri Mandir, or the Temple of the Mother, where silence is maintained to ensure the tranquility of the space. There is no chanting or burning of incense. Only silent communication with the divine. Auroville belongs to humanity as a whole. To live in Auroville, one must be the willing servitor of the divine consciousness. Auroville is an attempt to recreate the eternal deity society that existed in Bharat thousands of years ago. Brahma Kumaris is happy to announce that this divine society is being actually re-established now, where the Supreme Divine is teaching the forgotten lessons of soul consciousness, complete purity, emerging inner virtues, and complete abstinence from the 5 vices. Brahma Kumaris wishes all the very best for the progress of this divine society and appreciate the message of spiritual renaissance espoused by Auroville.